Our world is moving faster than ever, and those who can learn and relearn will strive. Adaptability has become the main skill set. Yes, you want to become the best version of yourself. You have tried many things. Things are not changing, but you don't understand the fundamentals of how your mind works. You have to understand. So in this video, I'm going to point out 3 powerful things that you can find online that you should really take it very serious if you want to become the greatest person or the best version of yourself before you leave this world. If you have ever heard that this thing called the secret, some people will ask, what is the secret of this life? Why are others more successful than others? I want you to go back to YouTube and type this word, the secret. A book will pop up, and in that book, many personal development experts share their ideas about the fundamental of human psychology and what triggers others to become successful and whilst others fail in life. So the purpose of you watching this video, I strongly believe that you really want to change the dimension of your life. So go and search for the secret. You hear many speakers talking about Jack McCanfield and Tony Robbins, among others, have talked about this thing. Another most important thing that I want you to understand is that success leaves clues. In order for you to achieve that goal that you set for yourself, you have to understand that some people have walked through that path before you, and you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You have to find a mentor, someone who has done it, similar thing in your industry that you want to learn from. So therefore, don't struggle to only look for physical mentors. Go online, find virtual mentors in almost every industry that you want to. If you want to become a lawyer, if you want to become a digital marketer, if you want to become a good doctor, you are always found online. So go there and search for that person that you want to become. That person already exists in that industry. You can learn from them and advance, and you can even become the better than them. But the starting point is not for you to start from scratch because somebody is already at that place that you want to go. If not you becoming better, then you cannot do it alone. So you have to select best mentors in your industry. Get 5 best virtual mentors, and if you look at this thing and combine it with understanding of the secret, your life will change drastically. Last but not the least, you have to understand the process, and the process of you understanding something called delay gratification. Whoever else you want to be like, the person had their waiting period, and their waiting period is the same as the incubation period. Look at that chicks that were cracked from their eggshells was through incubation. So when you first idealize an idea, when you first embrace an idea of becoming something, you have to understand that the idea has to be in your mind for a very long time or for some certain period of time before it will start manifesting. What you need to do is that you must find the best conducive environment to incubate that idea to manifest. That's why you have to be consistent in meditating. That's why you have to be consistent in affirmation. That's why you have to be consistent in broadcasting and taking action in direction of that goal. So if you understand these 3 things, you become the better version of yourself. You understanding that our mindset and understanding the book The Secret, and you understanding how you have to get a mentor, and you understanding this last important thing of you incubating your idea, you become the greatest version of yourself. I hope you have received value from this video. If you want to learn more and you want us to grow on this journey together, kindly make sure you like and subscribe so that anytime I release valuable content, you'll be the first person to get notified. I'm sitting Alpha and rooting